Hello everyone and welcome to Explode Maths. In this video we are going to solve if x to power y minus y to power x is equal to 17, then what are the values of x and y? So let us see its solution. So here in first step we will write this equation in this way: x to power y minus y to power x is equal to 17, and now we will raise these both values to the power of 2 over 2. As this 2 over 2 is equal to 1, so there is no effect on these values by taking this power. So in next step, we will write it in this way: x to power. We will split this power 2 over 2 and we will take this from here 1 over 2 with this y. So here will be y over 2 to power this 2 minus same here y to power x over 2 to power 2 is equal to 17. And now here we will let here a equal to x to power y over 2 and b equal to y to power x over 2. So now by substituting the values of a and b, here will be a square minus b square is equal to 17, or we can write this left hand side in this way: a plus b into a minus b, that equals 17. Or in next step, here we can factorize this 17 in this way: 1 times 17 or 17 times 1. So there are two possibilities here: a plus b into a minus b is equal to 1 times 17, or a plus b into a minus b is equal to 17 times 1. And here from this equation, or even from this equation, we can see that there is product of two terms on left hand side and there is product of two values also on right hand side. So we may compare each term with each value. So if we will look at this equation, here this term a plus b will be compared to this value 1. And if we will look on this side, we can see that there is sum and difference of two same values on left hand side. So the difference of two same values must be smaller than their sum. Therefore, if we will compare a plus b equal to 1 and a minus b equal to 17, this will not work. And now look at this equation: a plus b will be compared to 17 and a minus b will be compared to 1. So we can proceed with this equation as the sum is greater than the difference. So here will be a plus b equal to 17 and a minus b equal to 1. This will be equation number 1 and this will be equation number 2. So now here, to find the values of a and b, we will add equation number 1 and equation number 2. So here will be a plus b equal to 17 plus a minus b equal to 1. So here by adding, here will be a plus is 2a, this is positive b and this is negative b, so they will cancel out each other, and here will be 17 plus 1 is equal to 18. And now to eliminate this 2, we will divide both sides by 2, so here a will be equal to 9. That is the value of a. And now we can find the value of b by putting the value of a even in this equation or in this equation. So by taking equation number 2, that is a minus b equal to 1, here by putting the value of a, that is 9, minus b is equal to 1, or here will be 9 minus 1 is equal to b, or 9 minus 1 is equal to 8, that is equal to b. That is the value of b we have gotten here. And the values of x and y. So here we will recall, as we have assumed a equal to x to power y over 2 and b equal to y to power x over 2. And now by substituting the value of a, that we have gotten 9, here will be 9 equal to x to power y over 2. And to further solve it, we will take square on both sides. So now this 2 will cancel out this 2, and here will be 9 square is equal to 81, that equals x to power y. Or we can write this 81 in this way: 3 to power 4 is equal to x to power y. And now by comparing base to base and power to power, here we will get x equal to 3 and y equal to 4. And now from this equation, here we have found the value of b equal to 8, that will be equal to y to power x over 2. Same procedure here, by taking square, this 2 will be cancelled by this 2, and here will be 8 square is equal to 64, that equals y to power x. Or we can write this 64 in this way: 4 to power cube, that equals y to power x. And here again, by comparing base to base and power to power, from here we will get y equal to 4 and x equal to 3. That are the same values of x and y, which we can verify here. So here we will write our original equation, that is x to power y minus y to power x equal to 17. And by putting the values of x and y, here will be 3 to power 4 minus 4 to power 3 is equal to 17. 3 to power 4 is equal to 81, minus 4 to power 3 is equal to 64, that equals 17. 81 minus 64 is equal to 17, also equal to 17. So here left hand side is equal to right hand side, which verifies that x equal to 3 and y equal to 4 are right answers. I hope you would have liked the video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.